Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Golden Baby here with another video. So I'm doing a little voiceover and I wanted to show you guys this beautiful tiny home that I visit for a day. It was amazing. So I'm just giving you a tour and I want to show y'all they have a pizza maker. I wish I could have did it. I didn't have enough time. I was just too busy enjoying the view, really. But they also have some that's parsley, basil. I'm tripping. It's basil. And then they have two chairs out with a little swinging chair as well. And I love the color of this door and the mat that's on the bottom as well. That scan code is to show you like the website where you can find this. So first enter, look how small it is. It's so small. I'm loving. They have the towels right here beside the bed. I love the bed. The pillows was very soft. The mattress was very soft. And then they have AC and heating as well. And inside that cubby, they have a ironing board as well. So this is the fridge. And y'all see, they purify water. They want you to purify your water. That is so good and thoughtful, you guys. So at the bottom, they pretty much have everything that you need. They go to sheet for the pizza, the trash can. They also have this book, the guest journal. So it's a lot of people who wrote up in here. It's a lot of people who've been here, to be honest. And they did give some good recommendations as to where to eat. I will definitely post everything, my adventure at the end. But we have some wine glasses with salt, like seasoning. We also have these packages with grits, coffee and oatmeal. And then they have the s'mores kit right here. And look at the towel on the floor, you guys. I love it. But that's the remote for the AC. They have the cups and a coffee maker as well. That is definitely needed. And then we have the plates and bowls over here. And at the very top, well, let's see. I love this lamp. And at the very top, we have the knives and the pots and pans. And I just really love it. Right, and here go the bathroom. So the bathroom is actually big enough to fit 2 people. This is way better than the tiny cabin that I went to. And the water, it lasts longer. The heat of the water lasts longer, which I stood up in there for a good minute because it felt so good. But this is the back of the door. And they do have a door to close it if you want any privacy as well. But this is how big it is. It looks beautiful, right? And now I'm going to show y'all the best part of it all. When you open this door, when you wake up to it, it's just beautiful. Like, we are on the mountains, you guys. And it was rainy. It started to rain later on that day, but it was very cloudy. It was just beautiful. So they do have some chairs out there with a grill. They have little patio lighting as well, and this is just a beautiful spot to sit down and just look out into the world. And I love that it's enough chairs for like if your neighbors want to come over and chill with you, y'all are able to sit down and bond. So they have a fire starter with the lighter, and then also some sticks for like if you want to make some hot dogs and stuff. This was really a beautiful place. I love the idea of this being on a mountain, very intimate, if you're looking for something intimate. And I love that a hummingbird introduced itself to me. So it was beautiful to be with nature. And here goes some other clips. So you'll have to go down these stairs to get to it. And then they also have 2 other places that you can rent out. And the last one is like one of my favorites because it has like 2 hammocks on top with chairs. But 10 out of 10 do recommend.